Okay, today we'll start with the role of technology in Indian banks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have seen the financial system in the country, the regulatory environment, um, uh, and now we will move on to the role of technology. Okay, so
Yes,
as you know, today's
sir.
banking is completely run basis technology. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
earlier in banks, late 90s or early 1990s and all,
Yes, sir.
we used to we used to the banks individual branches used to have their own ledgers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They will maintain all the accounts in physical ledgers.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Uh,
sir.
so every account holder will have a ledger book, and in those pages they will write how much was deposited, how much was withdrawn, and what is the
Yes, sir.
net balance. And
Yes,
basis
sir.
whatever is available physically, they will write the passbook and give it to the customers.
Yes, sir.
Transactions also was very difficult. See, you
Yes,
need to have an account in a particular branch, and you can transact only in that branch, because when you go to another bank branch, they will
yes,
not
sir.
know what balance you have, right?
Yes, sir.
So physical way of doing banking transactions was very cumbersome. This
Yes,
was the
sir.
practice till about 1990, the early 1990s.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then
Yes,
computerization came in a big way.
yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes,
uh, and banks started to adopt computerization in a big way.
yes, sir.
So transactions slowly started to move into core banking systems.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What see there are two three major technology implications in banking. Okay. One
Yes,
is
sir.
core banking solutions, the core banking systems. The other
Yes, sir.
is the customer relationship management software. Okay,
Yes, sir.
CRM, that is customer relationship management. And the
Yes,
third
sir.
is loan originating system, LOS.
Yes, sir.
These are major, these are major technology implications which are adopted on a day-to-day basis,
Yes, sir.
which have revolutionized customer transactions in the banking system. In the
Yes,
past,
sir.
25, 30 years,
Yes, sir.
entire transactions have become, computerized through
Yes, sir.
these systems, through core banking systems. The online net banking works.
Yes, sir.
All the other benefits that we are seeing today is because of adoption of the core banking system.
Yes, sir.
Core banking system, you can see this image. Okay,
Yes, sir.
there is a branch A, there is a branch B. So there are different bank branches which are available.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
these bank branches are linked to a data center. Okay, a
Yes,
core
sir.
banking system is a data center
Yes, sir.
where individual bank branches are linked together.
Yes, sir.
Okay, through dedicated lines and backup lines.
Yes, sir.
So there are two lines which will be available. One is a dedicated line,
Yes,
which
sir.
is a telecommunication line. These are telecommunication lines. Okay,
Yes,
and there
sir.
is a backup line. If the dedicated line fails, the entire system should not collapse. Okay, so
Yes,
they
sir.
will have two lines. One is a dedicated line in which it is operational. The other is a
Yes, sir.
backup line.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Same
sir.
multiple branches of the same bank can deliver operations like account opening, loan management, interest calculation, withdrawals, deposits, and payments in real time,
Yes, sir.
reporting, and AML control. So all the transactions of a branch
Yes,
can
sir.
are being done through the core banking system.
Yes,
So
sir.
multiple bank branches are connected to the core
Yes, sir.
banking system. Core banking system is nothing but a data center, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, AML?
AML is anti-money laundering.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we may not cover it much in this course, but
Yes,
but
sir.
it's a good question. You can just take that as a task for tomorrow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
will
sir.
explain it to you shortly tomorrow.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but first understand what is AML. That is anti-money laundering systems, anti-money
Yes, sir.
laundering controls,
Yes, sir.
which banks will have to report to the regulator. Okay,
Yes,
bank
sir.
should not be used for money laundering, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Money laundering, do you know what is money laundering?
Changing the
Converting
currency, sir.
money laundering. Laundering na enadhu? Laundry.
Uh,
Laundry.
அது black மணியை ஒயிட் ஆக்குறது அந்த மாதிரியா சார்?
Correct. So money
Yes, sir.
laundering is converting illegal
Black
currency,
money,
illegal
illegal
money
currency
into
into legal.
legal money. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
there is black money. We don't use that term. We
Okay,
use
sir.
it as
Legal currency.
illegally earned money
Yes, sir.
into legal funds. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is called money laundering.
Yes, sir.
Anti-money laundering means against money laundering. So
Yes, sir.
banks should not be used for money laundering purposes. So criminals, terrorists, drug smugglers, they should not use the banking system to convert their, illegal money into
Yes,
legal
sir.
currency. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So banks have a lot of controls and reporting mechanisms to prevent that. That
Yes,
is
sir.
called anti-money laundering systems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So core banking systems means, what is core? Core is centralized online real-time environment. Okay, core
Yes, sir.
banking systems, right?
Yes, sir.
So centralized online real-time environment. So there are three parts to it. It should be centralized, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the one data center connects all the bank branches. So all the bank branches are connected to a single data center.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is centralized online. The whole system is completely online, 24/7. It should be running and working 24/7. Right? So it is online, real time. Real time
Yes,
means
sir.
as and when a transaction happens in a branch, the
Yes,
central
sir.
server will get updated in real time. Immediately, the central server will also get updated.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you open an account in, let's say, Canara Bank in நீங்க இருக்கிற இடம் என்னது? Tambaram. Okay, you go to Tambaram Canara Bank branch, you
Yes,
go and
sir.
open an account there, right?
Yes, sir.
That account is opened in the branch. Okay, the
Yes,
branch
sir.
has a server.
Yes, sir.
Your account is placed in the server. Your account is operated in the server.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, your account is also mapped to the central server,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes,
whenever
sir.
a transaction happens in your account, so in your account you have opened, you go and deposit 10,000 rupees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The moment the teller makes an entry of credit of 10,000 rupees into that account, the branch server gets updated as well as the central server gets updated.
Yes, sir.
So in real time, immediately it will get updated.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are the essential components of the core banking system.
Core banking
Centralized, online, real-time environment.
environment.
That is the meaning of core banking systems.
Yes, sir.
Customer can experience the bank as a single entity regardless of their location. This is the biggest benefit of core banking systems.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so you have opened an account in Canara Bank Tambaram branch. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
you
sir.
said your native is Theni. Okay, tomorrow you travel to Theni. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
there
sir.
is a Canara Bank branch there in
Yes, sir.
Theni. Okay, now you have an account in Tambaram.
Yes, sir.
You want to withdraw 5,000 rupees from Canara Bank
Bank.
Theni.
Yes, sir.
In the earlier system that I said, the legacy system, which is the ledger-based system,
Yes, sir.
Tambaram balance of 10,000 will not be known in Theni.
Yes, sir.
So when you go to Theni branch, they will say, sir, you opened an account in some other branch. We will not know. I do not know. You can't transact here. You have to go to your home branch for withdrawal. That is
Yes,
what
sir.
they will say.
Yes, sir.
Whereas, because core banking links each and every branch to the centralized server, and
Yes,
from
sir.
the centralized server, any branch can access the details of any account in any other branch.
Yes, sir.
So information flow is back and forth. Okay. So from
Yes,
the
sir.
branch, data will go, and from the data center, data will come to the branch also. So back and forth, the data goes. So when you go to Theni branch, they will type your account number of Tambaram branch, which will also reflect there. And they can check the balance in your account and they can pay you the money. So this is the biggest benefit of core banking solutions. This provides more independence for customers in terms of using their accounts and conducting transactions from any location in the world. First is country. Okay. The
Yes, sir.
example we said is within the country you can do it. But with online systems, no. Just hold on 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Dinesh. கேக்குதா தினேஷ்?
கேக்குது சார்.
So uh, core banking systems are now integrated with the online banking systems. Okay. So core banking systems வந்ததுனால தான் today you can do transactions through the internet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sitting anywhere in the world, you can do
Yes,
fund transfers. You can, you can do all the kinds of transactions through online banking. So, but before we proceed, do you have a bank account?
Yes, sir.
Okay. எந்த பேங்க்ல வச்சிருக்கீங்க?
Canara Bank.
Canara Bank. Okay. Do you transact online and all?
Yes, sir. All
Okay.
type of
So
transactions.
it happens only through this system. Okay. Online நீங்க mobile access பண்ணுவீங்க இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
So the entire mobile banking is an app which is connected to the core banking system.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So core banking system has completely revolutionized the entire banking industry.
Yes, sir.
Data center contains the database, application server, web server, and firewall. Okay, these are the physical, components of a data center. Okay,
Yes,
so the
sir.
database is available, application server is available, web server is available, which connects to the internet. Firewall is for security protection. Okay, in order
Yes.
to prevent any hacking and all that. Banks
sir.
can host their data center locally or on the cloud. Core
Yes,
banking
sir.
is the technological heart of financial institutions. It helps banks manage the operations in a reliable and secure environment. So the key ingredients in core banking systems is it must be reliable. Reliable na? What's reliable?
ரிலேபிள்னா இது பண்ணிக்கலான்ற மாதிரியா சார்? ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
என்ன பண்ற மாதிரி?
able to do சார்?
Reliable means it should have zero failures. It should be
Okay,
on
sir.
the whole time. Okay. Reliable means there should be zero failures in it. That is called reliable. Secure, you know.
Secure, I know, sir.
It should be secure from any hacking or any illegal things. So firewalls are very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Features of the core banking system. So reliable means always available. That's what I said. Real-time essential services, digital banking, banking transactions or apps. Okay, so it should be able to integrate with online, which is the internet banking or phone-based applications. So Canara Bank will have an app which you will download. Through the app, you can connect to the core banking system, and through the core banking system only you are doing transactions. Okay, while for a common man it will look like some app on which I just do some transaction. As a banker, you must understand that the phone app is connected to the core banking system, right?
Yes, sir.
Through that
Yes, sir.
only you are doing transactions. So it is very, very important. The core banking system is the heart of banking today.
Yes, sir.
Anything happens to the core banking system, the entire bank will stop functioning. Sometimes there is a network issue. So, the transactions will not happen. At that time, so many customers will come and complain to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is why your system has to be reliable.
Yes,
That
sir.
is why banks have a regular line as well as a backup line.
Yes, sir.
So even if one line fails, they can use the backup line for transactions.
Yes, sir.
Account management. So you can open accounts such as savings, current, fixed deposit, and loan. You can transact in the account, transaction processing, customer relationship management, which we will come in the next part.
Yes, sir.
Which tracks customer interactions, customer inquiries, analyzes customers' data, and understand their needs and preferences. Very, very important in today's banking. Customer relationship management. When you enter banking, you will be asked to play the role of a relationship manager. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Risk
sir.
management identifies, assesses major risks like credit risk, market risk, operational
Yes.
risk. So there are different types of risk. Credit risk, which is associated with lending. So once if I give a loan to a customer, will he repay or not? That is called credit risk. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Market risk, changes in financial services and the regulatory environment. So market risk, what is market risk? Can you have done marketing and finance, right? Marketing and HR. What did you study?
Yes, sir. Marketing and finance. Finance and marketing.
Finance and marketing. So tell me, what is market risk? Okay, market risk are challenges which happens in the whole market, which affect the whole market.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
whole market, how does it get affected? For example, okay, some
Yes, sir.
10 years back, okay, 10 years or 12 years back, okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
you want a gold loan, what will you do?
Uh,
There were two
we want.
avenues for gold loans. Okay. One
Yes,
is
sir.
you can go to a bank. Okay. You can go
Yes, sir.
to some bank which is available. They
Yes,
will,
sir.
process the gold loan and give it to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Number two is
Another
you will have to go to a pawn shop.
one, sir.
Okay. Only these
Yes.
two are available. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not much of competition. Anybody who wants, a structured way, they will go to a bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Unstructured way, the nearby quick loans is all done
One,
by pawn shop.
one, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, after some 10, 12 years back, two companies came up.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Who are those? Muthoot, Manappuram.
Manappuram Gold Loan.
Manappuram Gold and Muthoot.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
They changed the entire market. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today, a lot of people instead of going to bank, they are going to Muthoot
Yes, sir.
for gold loan or for Manappuram for gold loan, or so many companies have come up after that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the entire market has changed.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Also,
sir.
you can look at it earlier for payments. What will you do? You will write a check or you will take a demand draft. Okay.
Demand draft.
You have to go to a college for admission. They will say, okay, you're admitted. Now go to
Yes,
the
sir.
nearby bank. Give us a demand draft for fees of 5,000 rupees. They will
Yes, sir.
say. Okay. Earlier. So then what you will do, you will go to a nearby bank, you will, pay them money. You will have to wait there for half an hour. Then they will
Yes, sir.
print the DD and give it to you. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens? Will you go to a bank? You will simply say, sir, you show me GPay code. I will scan and pay.
Yes, sir.
Right? You will not go to a bank nowadays.
Yes, sir.
So the entire payment market has changed. What is the impact for the bank? What is the impact for the bank? Tell me.
Bank. Sir,
Bank is an
they.
impact, major impacts.
Yes, sir.
How? How has it impacted banks? Tell me.
If most
Simple.
of the payment paid through online, sir.
Through online, correct. So how has it impacted banks? அதனால பேங்க்குக்கு என்ன நஷ்டம்?
பேங்க்கு கேஷ் வந்து லிக்விடா வராம ஃபுல்லா அக்கவுண்ட்ல வரும்.
Okay. ஒன்னு bank உடைய money flow gets affected, correct? Then
எஸ் சார்.
the money which should have come to the bank is not coming to the bank. Okay.
ஓகே சார்.
Correct, no? See, you must understand one thing. Okay.
எஸ் சார்.
How
எஸ் சார்.
these instruments work. Okay. For example, quickly I will tell you,
எஸ்
demand
சார்.
draft is a prepaid instrument. Okay.
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
You
சார்.
will go to the bank, you will give them cash prepaid.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, first you will pay and then they will make the demand draft and give it to you. Okay,
எஸ் எஸ்
then
சார்.
you will go and give it to the college.
எஸ் சார்.
Where is that 5,000 rupee money lying?
காலேஜ்.
Not in the college, it is lying in the bank.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, bank will keep it in their demand draft suspense account.
ஓகே
Okay,
ஓகே சார்.
once
ஓகே
you
சார்.
go and give the physical instrument to the bank, to the college, demand
எஸ் சார்.
draft, the
எஸ் சார்.
college will go and present it in their bank. So you have an account in Canara Bank, you have taken the DD in Canara Bank. Okay.
எஸ் சார்.
Now you go to the college and you give the demand draft. Okay.
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
By the
சார்.
time you go, it will be evening. Okay. Then they
எஸ்
will
சார்.
collect the DD. Then
எஸ்
next
சார்.
day they will go and give it to their bank, which will be State Bank, assuming.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay.
எஸ் சார். எஸ்
So
சார்.
the 5,000 rupee you paid is in Canara Bank for today night.
எஸ் சார்.
Okay. Then
எஸ்
next
சார்.
day the college has gone and given it to State Bank. State
எஸ்
Bank
சார்.
presents it the next day.
எஸ் சார்.
Canara Bank will pay the money on. So if you take the DD on Wednesday,
எஸ்
the
சார்.
payment from Canara Bank to State Bank will go on Friday only.
எஸ் சார்.
If it is physical movement. Okay.
எஸ் சார்.
So
எஸ் சார்.
Canara Bank enjoyed the money 5,000 rupees for how many days? 2 days.
எஸ் சார்.
We have seen CRR, we have seen SLR, we have seen how money flows into the bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If more money is available in the bank, it is better for the bank, right?
Yes, sir.
So physical instruments, when they were slow, the bank used to earn something called float because the 5,000 rupees was available in their suspense account only,
Yes,
which
sir.
was good for the bank,
Yes, sir.
right? Second
Yes, sir.
thing, when you take a DD, there is a charge you will pay for the bank.
Yes, sir.
Correct? You will pay whatever 50 rupees, 100 rupees, whatever you would have paid to the bank.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, when it has come to GPay or whatever other payment systems you have, you will
Yes, sir.
only scan that money. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That money from your Canara Bank account, it
Yes,
flows
sir.
instantly to the State Bank account of the college.
Yes, sir.
5,000 rupees
Yes, sir.
immediately has flown out from Canara Bank to State Bank.
Yes, sir.
So Canara Bank lost 2 days of float and
Yes, sir.
also the DD income.
Yes, sir.
So this is an impact for the banks, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is these are the impacts that a bank gets. These are the market risks that we face.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because of technology, because of competition, because of unrelated competition,
Yes,
your
sir.
industry might get affected.
Okay, sir.
You get it? So these are market risks. So a banker has to be aware of the different technological changes which are happening, which might impact the profitability of the bank,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then we have risk management. So we discuss credit risk, we discuss market risk, operational risk arising from day-to-day banking operations. So there can be errors. So all of these can be controlled through technology.
Yes, sir.
Then reporting and analytics. So it provides easier reporting. Earlier and all, September 30 used to be holiday for bank
Yes, sir.
reconciliation. Then April 1st used to be holiday for bank reconciliation.
Yes, sir.
The bank people will have to stay in the bank for one whole night. They will have to write and tally physically each and every account.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, nothing. At the once your day ends, the central system itself will run your accounts and tally it. So manual work is reduced to a huge extent, right? And the timelines for reporting is also reduced. Compliance management helps banks comply with various regulatory requirements, includes features for transactions and monitoring of suspicious activity, necessary documentation, generating reports for regulatory bodies. Product management, this is very important. Because of the technological advances, banks are able to create more and more products, innovative products with different product features, pricing, and eligibility criteria. And this will support in launch of new products which will benefit the customers. So technology, end of the day, benefits the customers to a huge extent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So importance of core banking system, we have seen this real-time processing. CBS enables real-time processing, flexible banking. Banks can provide anywhere, anytime banking services. Cost efficiency, CBS reduces operating costs. Okay, while we discuss that, banks might lose money because of reduction in float or reduction in the fee income. The overall system is much more efficient today. That reduces cost to a huge extent. So banks are able to still make profits. Improved customer service. So we discussed it, how easy it is for customers to transact and access their bank accounts. This makes customer satisfaction. Risk management, CBS helps enables to assess risk and detect fraud. Right?
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very important. Types of core banking system, retail core banking systems, right? These are for individual customers.
Yes,
Corporate
sir.
core banking systems is for large corporates.
Yes,
They
sir.
cater to large transaction volumes. Universal banking systems are for common for both retail and corporate banking services. Private banking and wealth management services provide services such as tax planning, investment management, and estate planning. So
Yes, sir.
these are very, very, important different systems, but these are all combined into a single system. Okay. There are multiple systems, but all of them are combined together to form a single core banking system. What are the components of a core banking system? Account opening. Account opening is one component which
Yes,
enables
sir.
the entire account opening, such as documentation, verification, account number allotment, deliverables generation, and dispatch. Okay, account opening earlier it used to happen physically. Now it is all online, and it happens by linking Aadhaar number to the account opening. So now it is very easy. Just by giving Aadhaar authentication, the account can be opened within 1 hour. Today's banks, Dinesh, account opening will not take 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, and all. Okay, you go to the bank, they do Aadhaar authentication, you submit the required documents, the account can be opened in just 1 hour. Your account will be operational, will be
Yes, sir.
opened, and it is immediately active, and you can transact in the account in 1 hour. All of this has come through because of core banking solutions. Customer relationship management that helps manage all aspects of the customer relationship. So a single customer might have different relationships with the bank. Customer may have a savings account, customer may have a current account, customer may have a personal loan, customer can have a home loan. So each customer can have multiple products with the bank. All of these products are integrated together in the core in the customer relationship management. And you as a banker, you will know what all relationships the customer has with you. Customer
Yes,
can
sir.
have a query on home loan, customer can have a query on savings account, customer can have a query on fixed deposits. When you look at the
Yes, sir.
overall relationship, you can handle the customer in a much better way.
Yes, sir.
Deposit and loan management handles all deposit and loan management products. Payment and transaction processing handles all monetary transactions, deposits, withdrawals, fund transfers, bill payments. Risk management and compliance, we saw this. Financial reporting. Security module ensures the security of banking operations, data, and transactions. Right? So these are more, the the technical aspects. Look at the text, the tech stack. First is the data layer. Next is the business logic layer. You have a bit of exposure on IT.
Sir?
ஐடில கொஞ்சம் exposure இருக்கா? Was it part of your MBA curriculum?
No, sir. No, sir.
Not much. Huh?
Information
Okay.
technology. இல்ல sir, இல்ல
Okay,
sir.
this you can just read it. Okay. You
Yes, sir.
just understand it. There is a data layer. The first is the data
Sir.
layer. Okay. This is where all the customer information, transaction information, account data were all stored. Okay. Business logic layer contains the core functionality of the banking system. That is where the transaction processing happens. Application layer interacts directly with end users, bank employees, and customers. So the application layer is what is the front end which is available in the banks. Okay, this layer will integrate the front end to the back end. Okay, it includes user interface, applications of various banking services. Integration layer enables communication with external systems like ATMs, net banking, mobile banking, and all that. So how does as we
Yes, sir.
discussed, mobile banking is an app. Okay, now
Yes,
that
sir.
app is connected to the core banking system through the integration layer,
Yes, sir.
right? That is how it works. Benefits of the core banking system: enhanced customer experience. We discussed this. Improved operational efficiency, reporting, data security, regulatory compliance, and risk management. Okay, so that is all about the core banking systems. Now we will move on to the CRM software, another very important software which is used by banks. Okay, see
Yes, sir.
when we are working in banks or financial institutions, Dinesh, you must understand it is
Yes, sir.
completely technology. Yeah,
The CRM software.
yeah. So
Yes,
I
sir.
was telling that when you are working in a bank or in a financial sector,
Yes,
it
sir.
is completely technology.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You
Yes,
must
sir.
enable and you must adapt yourself to the technology,
Okay,
right?
sir.
You
Yes,
must
sir.
have that open mind to learn.
Yes, sir.
And technology, what happens is technology
Yes, sir.
also keeps changing. Okay.
Yes,
Technology is
sir.
not constant.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that is a good thing about technology. It keeps improving,
Yes, sir.
right?
Day
So
to day
you as
improvement.
a huh?
Day to day improving.
Day to day, there will be changes. See,
Yes,
banking
sir.
as a sector, you must understand
Yes, sir.
that it is completely regulated, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and it is completely technology oriented,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So when it is regulated, okay, there
Yes,
are
sir.
several rules and regulations. Okay, when
Yes,
you
sir. Yes,
want to
sir.
become a banker,
Yes, sir.
uh, the rules and regulations you must be knowledgeable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you will be knowledgeable? By reading and understanding those rules and regulations.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
is what our attempt is. We are trying to introduce you to banking. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So when you go into a bank or a financial institution, there will be several standard operating procedures. There
Yes,
will
sir.
be several rules. There will be several RBI circulars which come to you.
Yes, sir.
So you must always have the mind to read it. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Don't go by only what people talk. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just 1 minute, 1 minute. See, you must always have the mind to read whatever is coming to you. Okay. You
Yes,
will
sir.
receive several communications. You
Yes,
will
sir. Yes, sir.
receive several emails. You will receive
Yes, sir.
several circulars. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One thing about a lot of people is that they don't read it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They will wait for their manager to tell whatever he wants to tell. Right.
Okay, sir.
There are a lot
Okay,
of
sir.
managers who tell the whole thing. They make you understand.
Yes, sir.
But there are some managers who may not tell you the whole thing. They may not make you understand
Yeah, sir.
because they are quite busy. Okay, but they have their targets, they have their customer service, they have
Yes,
their
sir.
operations requirements.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you join a bank, you can't expect people to come and teach you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they expect you to be understandable and start performing immediately, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
nobody is going to spend more time. Yes, basic training they will give, basic inputs they will give.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but for you to
Yes, sir.
understand, you must be able to read.
Yes,
You
sir.
must be able to read thoroughly. That is why I am giving you daily tasks to read. Read and
Okay, sir.
understand. Right?
Okay, sir.
If you don't
Yes, sir.
understand, you ask the question.
Yes, sir.
In our course, you can ask us that you didn't understand this and you want to understand it. We can clarify it to you.
Okay, okay, sir.
Once you join an organization you don't understand, please ask your senior or your manager that you
Okay,
didn't
sir.
understand it. Take the effort to understand. Don't go
Okay.
by what people say orally. They may have not understood.
Yes, sir.
There can be miscommunication orally. So it is important for you to read everything and to understand, right? And also, as regards technology, you must be able to, you must also learn a bit of technology. You know about Microsoft Office and all that, right?
Yes, sir.
Your basic
Basic things.
skills,
Yes, sir.
Excel skills,
Excel, Tally,
Excel, PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. Basic, I know, sir.
Basic, you must know, basics. Excel pivot table அதெல்லாம் போட தெரியுமா?
போட தெரியும், sir.
Okay, so basics of Excel skills. Sometimes they will give you calling data. They will say you can call up all these customers. These are our customers. These are the relationships we have. Why don't you
Yes,
engage
sir.
them? They will tell. If you don't know to, filter, you don't know to pivot, then you will
Yes,
find it
sir.
difficult.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But these are
Yes,
not the
sir.
only skills. PowerPoint, sometimes they will tell you, okay, give me a presentation on what you have done.
Yes,
When
sir.
you present yourself neatly, you will create an impression,
Okay, sir.
right? So,
Yes, sir.
basic computer skills, basic learning skills, basic reading comprehension is very, very
Yes, sir.
essential for bankers.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
a lot of people may
Yes,
not
sir.
do it,
Yes,
but
sir.
but since you are going through us, we are educating you. Don't go
Yes, sir.
by what others are doing. Okay, you
Yes, sir.
spend the time. Others may read, others may not read, fine. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But you must be careful in what you do. You must understand
Okay.
what you're doing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Customer relationship management is the establishment, development, maintenance, and management of long-term mutually valuable relationship between customers and banks. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
simple
sir.
CRM software is helping you to build relationships with the customers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
With the entry of new players and multiple channels, customers have become more discerning and less loyal to banks.
Yes, sir.
Today, customers, if you are not providing good service, if you are not treating your customers well, the customers will
Yes, sir.
immediately shift. Okay, there is so much
Yeah.
of competition
Another
in
bank.
today's
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
there is so much of competition in today's situation, right?
Yes, sir.
We read there are 112 banks in the country. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Every
sir.
bank today is providing online facility. All the facilities are common among banks.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the key differentiator between one bank and another bank? It is the service we provide.
Yes, sir.
It is the customer relationship we have.
Yes, sir.
So it is very, very important for you as a banker or a financial industry professional to have very
Yes, sir.
good, relationship with your customers. To have a
Yes, sir.
good relationship with your customers, you must know
Yes,
about
sir.
your customers.
Yes, sir.
CRM software gives you knowledge and more inputs about your customers. For
Yes, sir.
example, I said CRM software will club all the relationships the customer has with your bank.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
when you key in a customer's ID, every customer will have a customer ID. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
When
sir.
you feed that customer ID, it will tell you this customer has a home loan, this customer has a personal loan, this customer has a current account, this customer has a savings account, he has a
Yes,
fixed
sir.
deposit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And also you can understand what all he does not have with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the CRM software can tell you he does not have a recurring deposit with you. The CRM
Yes,
software will tell you he does not have a car loan with you,
yes,
right?
sir.
So, as a
Yes, sir.
banker, it is in your interest to engage the customer and ask him whether he wants a car loan, right?
Yes, sir.
If he wants a car loan, he can come and take it from you, and your business, your target will get achieved.
Yes, sir.
So, it is very important for the banker to be aware of and knowledgeable about the CRM softwares.
Yes, sir.
Right? So
Yes, sir.
CRM software will tell you what are the existing relationships the customer has with you, and it will
Yes, sir.
also tell you what he doesn't have and what are the opportunities you can, engage with the customer.
Yes, sir.
Customer relationship management softwares significantly help in improving customer satisfaction levels.
Yes, sir.
How does that improve customer satisfaction levels?
So, to giving a proper response for their queries.
Exactly. So by giving proper responses for queries,
Yes,
then
sir.
you can give differentiated services to customers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
today
sir.
there is a concept of regular customer, preferred customer,
Yes, sir.
super preferred customers. All that is available today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a
Yes, sir.
customer who has 1 lakh with your bank and a
Yes, sir.
customer who has 25 lakhs with your bank,
Yes, sir.
okay, they can't be treated
Yes, sir.
same way, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the customer who is having 25 lakhs with you, they can be
Yes, sir.
called as a preferred customer.
Yes, sir.
Banks give specialized services for such customers.
Yes, sir.
They will allot a relationship manager for the customers.
Yes, sir.
They will give investment advice for the customers.
Yes, sir.
They will give specialized debit cards, specialized credit cards for the customers,
Yes,
so
sir.
that they will feel happy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They will feel privileged.
Yes,
இப்போ
sir.
இப்போ எல்லாரும் ஒரு ஒரு மாருதி கார் வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஓகே,
Yes, sir.
ஒரு
Yes, sir.
some normal car. Okay, whatever Maruti, whatever. Okay, I'm just naming. And there is a customer who has
Yes,
a
sir.
BMW.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can they be treated the same way?
Yes, sir.
See, basic service is the same.
No,
Basic
sir.
customer service is you have to treat them with respect. You have to give them all the
Yes, sir.
facilities. That is fine. But you can give specialized services for the preferred customers. That is what
Prefer the
it
customer.
is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to
Yes,
treat
sir.
all the customers well. Okay. You have to give all products. You have to service all the customers well. There is no doubt about it. But
Yes,
certain
sir.
customers can be categorized as preferred, and you can give specialized services for those customers.
Yes, sir.
Data mining, data warehousing. These are all you might have read in newspapers or in IT papers.
Yes, sir.
These are concepts which will help you engage better with customers. Okay, data warehousing brings all the transactions from different channels under the same roof.
Yes, sir.
Relationship management based approach has the following benefits. Retail bank
Yes, sir.
customers increase their holding of the products from a range of services available. Longer a relationship continues, better a bank can understand the customer, and so greater opportunity to tailor products and services and cross sell the product and the service range. So you can sell more products to the customers, you can give better services to the customers through CRM software, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, CRM, customer relationship management manages relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. So it is important the CRM software is
Yes,
being
sir.
used for existing customers as well as potential customers. So
Yes,
when you
sir.
make a call, when you go and meet a customer, you will
Yes, sir.
record all the interactions in the CRM software. Today,
Yes,
banks
sir.
have integrated that with your mobile phones. Okay. So when
Yes, sir.
you have an appointment, when you go and meet a customer, once you complete the appointment,
Yes, sir.
you will key in your interactions in that software.
Okay, sir.
This will help streamline processes and improve information, enhance communications, improve customer service, greater efficiency, improved reporting. So the bank will know which customer you met, what all you discussed with the customers. Okay. See, if you don't have the CRM software, you know what will happen. Okay, you go and meet a customer. Okay. Then the customer says, after 2 months, I may be purchasing a new car. I will need a car loan. Okay. The car loan is not needed today. Car loan is needed only after 2 months. Okay. How will you remember what he wants in a later point of time? You may not remember. Okay. So at that time, you may not
Yes, sir.
contact the customer. So, but if you have the CRM software, you can feed in your instructions and you can mention that this is the product car loan he is interested in. Next call date for car loan is after 2 months. So today is June, July, August. August 3rd or 4th, I have to interact with the customer for his car loan requirement. So you can schedule it on CRM itself. Okay. Imagine CRM how helpful it is if if some other person has met the customer, okay, and on that particular day he is not available, still it can be the lead can be allotted to somebody else for calling. That
Yes,
is the
sir.
beauty of the CRM system. Okay. So the customer service will be extremely good when once you have a CRM system. The goal of CRM is to manage all aspects of customer interactions in a manner that enables banks to maximize profitability. Features of CRM: customer data management, lead management, analysis and reporting, automated workflows, security and compliance, should be mobile friendly. As I said, nowadays banks will integrate CRM with your mobile phone. You can input all your interactions on the CRM software itself, on from
Yes,
your
sir.
mobile itself.
Yes, sir.
Marketing automation, scalability, integration with third-party systems, communication and collaboration tools. What are the advantages for customers? More coordinated professional approach to customer contact. Banks can offer more personalized services. We discussed this.
Yes, sir.
Customers feel empowered if they have greater access to products and services. Round the clock banking. Services can be timed to coincide with requirements. Example, education loan, tourism loans, everything.
Yes, sir.
What are the advantages for employees? Employees are empowered with information because it is recorded in your system. You will not miss any appointments, right? Employees will
Yes, sir.
have more time to serve customers. Employees will have high satisfaction rating. So when you service customers better, you will be able to source more business,
Yes, sir.
and customers and employees will be very satisfied.
Yes, sir.
What are the key benefits for the bank by implementing CRM software? It will improve the productivity of the teams, better business generation. Okay. 360-degree view of every customer. You can get detailed information about the customer accounts, information about their transactions. See, information about transactions are very important. Okay. See, a customer may
Yes,
not
sir.
avail home loan from you. He may have availed a home loan, let's say from some other bank, Axis Bank. Okay. From your bank account, every month the EMI for Axis Bank home loan will be going. Okay. So data warehousing will pull that detail and give it to you. Okay. You are the relationship manager. Data warehousing, data analysis will pull that detail and give it to you. It will say, Mr. Dinesh, Mr. X is your customer. He is paying home loan EMI through our bank account. What is the opportunity that comes to you? You can take over that home loan, correct? So you as a relationship manager, you have to sell more products to the customer. That is where CRM will help you. This data warehousing CRM will throw up what are the opportunities which are available. Customers may be availing some banking services from some other bank. They may be using other bank loans. They may be paying EMI through your bank account. Immediately you will realize that this is a big opportunity. You can go and convince the customer to shift the loan to you, right? Enhance communication and collaboration. Teams can quickly share information and the deals and leads. Okay. Increase customer retention. The more and more products, the more better services you give you, the more differentiated services you give to the customer retention is much better. So these are some of the screenshots which you can see. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
This is how a CRM system might look. Okay. There are several CRM systems. Okay. This is one. Okay. So contact information will be available. The primary branch where the home branch of the customer will be available, RCT 245. Email ID of the customer is available, business phone, mobile phone, last activity, appointments. What are the appointments you have scheduled with him? That is all available. Okay, address. So whatever is his address, right? Home loan, what is the opportunity? There is an opportunity for a home loan. Then there is an opportunity for account opening, right? The CRM system will
Yes,
give
sir.
you inputs, information about the customer. It will also give you what are all the opportunities which are available with the customer for greater business generation. CRM system will also have a record of the customer complaints and issues so that if there is a complaint or issue, you can immediately sort it out for the customer. You need to intervene and solve it for the customer, right? That is very important service. So this is how some screens look. Okay. Team report for every person, what are all the assigned leads, what are all the appointments, everything will be available from the leads, how much is sales which has been done. All of these needs to be recorded in the CRM system by the relationship manager, which will be you when you are working in a bank. You will be designated as a relationship manager. You have to use the CRM software. You have to record everything, right? Are you getting it? These are some of the leads.
Yes,
Such
sir.
leads will come to you. Okay, every day morning when you log into the CRM system, you will see that there are so many leads which are available. So a lot of relationship managers or bank employees today, banks are valuing relationship managers. Okay, they want more people who are aware of these importance, who can engage with customers, who can talk well with customers. That is what we are preparing you all for. Okay, when you go into the system, once you are given a CRM ID, you will find that you are getting multiple leads for you. All you have to do is through these leads, contact these customers. Okay. And once you convince these customers, you can easily achieve all your targets. This is very, very important for employees. What are the opportunities customer wise? Like we discussed, home loans, account opening, all of these will be available in the CRM system. Contact details of the customer, what is their address, what is their telephone number, what is their mobile number, everything will be available. So how does this work? Core banking system, banking CRM will be connected to the core banking system, card processing systems, document management software, computer telephony integration system, the CTIS. So all of the multiple bank systems are integrated with the banking CRM. Okay, if a customer makes a call to your call center, it will get recorded into the CRM. Okay, what was the interaction the call center had? What was your interaction with the customer? What was the interaction the customer had with the branch people? Everything will be recorded in the banking CRM.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The third important, technology platform is the loan originating system. Okay, LOS. LOS is specifically for our lending operations. Okay, so you must remember that that you as a banker, we have discussed that you have to play the role of collecting deposits by opening accounts, by enhancing relationships, by opening fixed deposits. All of these products you will bring in. Okay, that is for collecting deposits. Now we have discussed the importance of lending also, that money that you collect as deposits, you have to give it out as lending also, right? Because otherwise the banks will make a loss. You can't keep on collecting deposits and paying interest. So you as a banker, you will have to collect deposits as well as do the lending. So for lending, the integrated system is called loan originating system. It helps lenders simplifying lending experience by carrying out documentation from loan application to loan disbursal stages. So we discussed how account opening has been made simple through the online system with Aadhaar authentication. Similarly, in loan originating system, everything is being done online. Customer, documents, customer verification, customer discussions, everything is done online. This ensures compliance and security while dealing with sensitive customer data. So earlier, when a customer applies for a home loan, they will have to give their salary slips, they will have to give their property documents. All of these were risky. Okay, it can be lost, it can be misplaced anywhere. But when you are doing it through the loan originating system, which is online, you will not miss any documents. It is all online, right? So it is very simple and very safe and secure. It's helpful for lenders to process loan applications, higher volumes, and it reduces errors. Okay. It includes every step from application to sanctioning to funding and disbursement or rejection of the application. So it can be approved or it can be rejected. The loan can be approved or rejected. Both of it, whether it is approved, the entire money, payment, everything, the disbursement is done online, or if it is rejected, the communication to the customer also is sent online. LO is the system of automating and managing loan application and disbursal process. Physical way of doing it is very cumbersome and has lot of documentation and security risk. This LOS, which is being done online, mitigates that risk and it is completely online, safe and secure. Okay. So the first part of LOS is lead. So the lead comes through the CRM. So this is how the system is integrated. Okay. If there is a loan for a car, if there is a lead for a car loan, you must understand that lead is entered into the CRM. Okay. When the customer said, I want a car loan, you as a relationship manager, you will enter that lead into the CRM software. Now the CRM software integrates that lead into the loan originating system. LOS takes care of the borrower onboarding, underwriting, and loan disbursal. This will include detailed data entry, KYC verification of the customer, which is done through Aadhaar cards, Eligibility checks, which is done through salary slip or business income, offers and free collection. So there will be a processing fee which the customer has to pay. Then if there is specific offers. So for example, in car loan, they can suddenly give a discount of 0.5%, 1% in the interest rate. So such offers can also be given through the loan originating system, credit appraisal, approval, and lead disbursal. Everything is done through the loan originating system, collection system, loan management system. It helps manage the loan life cycle. After the loan has been disbursed, also the loan management system helps in collections, in statements, in monitoring repayments. Everything is done integrated way, right? Through the loan originating system. How does this work? The lead comes in, okay, for home loan or a car loan, application completed. Application is not completed means you will send, the LOS will send an email, SMS, then it will intimate the call center to keep tracking the customer and follow up the customer. If the application is completed, then run rejection filters, self-reported data, credit checks, offer accepted by the customer. So acceptance from the bank end. We say that yes, all your documents are accepted. We are willing to sanction the home loan to you. They will say this is the interest rate, this is the tenure of the loan. So this is the loan sanction letter. Once the customer accepts the loan sanction letter, which is also done online, then verification and field verification, which is physical verification, happens, and then the loan is disbursed. So what are the stages of the loan originating system? Pre-qualification, that is the first stage. The lender checks the eligibility, bases the pay slip, bases, the other credit history, which is the CIBIL. Okay, if he has a good CIBIL score, if he has a good, salary, then only he can be given the loan. These documents, how is the eligibility is checked? ID proof of the customer, such as passport, government issue ID card, employment status, credit score, which is the CIBIL score, previous loan statements. Once the borrower submits these documents, the lender will verify these documents. Okay, LOS helps to automate all these verifications. Once this is complete, lender allows the borrower to proceed with the application status. Self-service loan application. So the loan filling up, details filling up is all done online. Okay, the customer can do it or the banker can help the customer to do it. Lender takes all the details from the customer and proceeds with processing and underwriting of the loan.
Yes, sir.
Right. Traditionally, earlier and all, it used to involve a lot of paperwork. So there will be 25-page document. Customer has to sign so many pages. They will have to give pay slip. They will have to give ID proof, all physical documents. Sir, I will have to go and take Xerox. I will have to do this. I will have to do that. Now everything is eliminated. Just a photo and a scan. That's it. Everything is online. Digital applications reduce human error and it also makes the process very, very fast. Right? Stages of LOS, which is verification, lender processes the applications, multiple departments review the applications online itself, right? Here is how the verification is done. So one customer credit score is 54, the another customer 75. So here in India, we have CIBIL score. Have you heard of CIBIL scores?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there will be CIBIL score of 400, 600, 700, all those CIBIL scores are available. So CIBIL
sir.
scores are checked here. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
the CIBIL score and the income eligibility offer will be generated for the customer. The offer will be generated. It will show how much funding can be given to the customer and what would be the tenure of the customer and what would be the interest rate which is applicable to the customer. Right? A loan sanction letter will have these three components. How much loan? What is the interest rate of the loan? What is the tenure of the loan? How long he can avail of the loan? Correct? Then credit decision, the underwriter, it goes to the underwriter who are the credit managers. They will consider different, credit parameters, how much salary he draws, how long they have been in employment, how long they are living in the same address, do they have own house? There are multiple credit questions which are being asked. Okay, you will understand it as we progress. Okay, but all of these are recorded in the LOS software, and basis the scores which are coming in for each of these questions, the system will generate the decision, right? Quality check, funding, how the documents have been checked, everything is done online, and then once it is disbursed, once it is sanctioned, the disbursement happens and the loan will be sanctioned and disbursed to the account of the customer. Many financial organizations keep multiple copies of data across departments. With an automated system, it is easier to process and access these data centrally. Okay. From the process of audit control, this is quite helpful. So there will be a record of all the, sanctioning, the decisioning system, and all the records, all the documents submitted by the customer is available centrally. So it is much easier for decisioning. Okay. Benefits of the LOS system: manual approach of handling loan documents can be cumbersome and prone to errors. Reduce the risk of compliance with incomplete and unverified applications. All of these are, since it is central, it is being monitored centrally, and there can be no errors in these documents. Right? Helps in better
Yes, sir.
credit assessment. Once you have better credit assessments, your NPAs and your chances of default will go down drastically. Reduces the turnaround time for loan processing from the earlier 10 days to currently 2 days. In just 2 days, the loan application, the loan sanctioning, the loan discussion, and the loan disbursement, everything can get done. Okay. So that is a savings of 8 days. Okay. Which is huge. The turnaround times are much, much faster. Okay. So these are the benefits of the loan originating system. So basically what we have seen is what is the role that technology plays today, which has, enhanced customer satisfaction, which has enhanced, customer product, which the bank can give. Okay. We can design specific products for customers. We can give differentiated services to customers, and the reduction in turnaround times for the customer. So technology is a big enabler for banking today. And you as a banker, you must be well versed with technological aspects of banking, right? Any
Yes, sir.
doubts, Dinesh, for now, till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we'll end today's session. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.